Next topic I am discussing about functions in C. What is a functions? Functions means it's a block of code that performs a specific task. That is functions. We can divide large programs into small blocks. That is known as functions. Functions contain a set of programming statements that is enclosed in curly braces. A function can be called multiple times. That will provide the reusability and modularity. Next we are going to discuss about types of functions. In C there are two types of functions. One is standard library functions and another one is user defined functions. What is standard library functions? Standard library functions means that's a built-in functions. These functions are already defined in C. Example printf, square root, these are the examples of standard library functions. Printf, why we are using printf is using for sending the formatted output to the screen. This function is defined in stdio.h, header file stdio.h. Hence, to use this printf function, we have to include the stdio.h header file. That's why we are writing in the header file #include stdio.h. We have to use this statement #include stdio.h header file. Then only we can use this printf function. Next one is square root. Square root calculates the root of the numbers. That includes in the math.h header file. Next one is user defined functions. What is user defined functions? User defined functions means we can also create the functions as per our need. Such functions are created by the user. These are known as the user defined functions. We can write our own functions, that is called user defined functions. What are the advantages of the user defined functions? One is reusable, another one is easier to understand, and large program we can divide it into smaller modules. These are the advantages of the user defined functions. Next one is function aspects. What are the function aspects? Function declaration, function call, function definition. These are the function aspects. First we can discuss about what is function declaration. Function declaration means a function must be declared globally in a program that tell the compiler about the function name, function parameters and return type. These are the three things function declaration include: function name, function parameters and return type. Next one is function call. Function we can call from anywhere in the program. That is function call. Next one is function definition. Function definition contains the actual statements which are to be executed. Next is the example program. #include stdio.h. This is the header file. Next one is here function declaration is there, void sum. Next this is the main method. Inside the main method I called this sum function and print this statement. Printing this statement, calculate the sum of two numbers. Here this is the function definition. Inside this function definition I am calculating the sum of two numbers. void sum int a b, printf enter two numbers, scanf reading these two numbers. Next, inside this printf statement, we are calculating the sum a plus b and printing here. So this will print the sum of two numbers. That's it about functions in